The other great thing with this vehicle is it's got Bluetooth audio streaming, and the sound system is really good too. So if I go to my iTunes here, and then I'll just turn this down, but click play, so it will be playing through the system here. Now what we have to do is go to media, and it's connecting to my phone, but also it may not come up straight away. What you may have to do is click media, and then as you can see there, you could have something else selected, a disc, USB, iPod, HD, but you want Bluetooth, so click OK to connect. I'll just turn this down first. We'll turn the radio up, then I can control it from the phone here, so I can turn it off quickly because you can't play too much music without getting a copyright strike. Oh, there you go. That's how you stream audio. Great system, fairly easy to use once you know how to do it.